Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the simple, elegant hairstyle for the parties or event. So here I'm going to start the hairstyle, but before the hairstyle I already completed the blow dry so that the hair will be very shiny and very smooth. And here I'm starting the hairstyle by taking the first section in the crown area. And in this hairstyle you need the accessory is bangles. If you want silver you can use silver, if you want golden you can use golden, or any multicolors bangles you can use. According to your dress code you can use it, or according to your accessories what you are going to wear you can use the same color of your dress or accessory. This is very simple hairstyle, but you need to practice it at least once or twice. I'm going to secure the first bangle with the bobby pin here so that when I will take the next section the bangle will not be misplaced. So I'm going to take the side sections here from both the side and I will pull through the bangle. Comb it oftenly so that it will show very neat. In the hairstyle, neatness is very important so that it will look awesome. If you need the section clip, you can use it while working. Sometimes the hair is very slippery, you cannot handle, so you can use the section clips to handle it. This hairstyle is very easy. Within 15 minutes you can complete this one. I'm going to remove the bobby pin from the first bangle which I used before to secure it so that it will not misplace. Now I'm comfortable so I removed it. So I'm using here a rubber band. When you are using the rubber band it's very easy to handle the hair. The same way what I did above I will do now here. The same steps I'm going to use. I hope you guys can see it clear. You can do this at home. It's very easy. Same like above section, I'm going to take the sections here from the both the side, and same way I'm going to do it. If you want to add more bangles, you can add more bangles, however you feel good. It look awesome. The same step I'm repeating it now, same as above. Nothing is different in this. Same steps I'm repeating here, you can see. If you want to do the ponytail, you can do the ponytail here, or if you want to do the braid, you can do the braid also. Now I took the section from both the side and I'm securing it below the hair, so that when you will do the wavy or something, it will not be misplaced. So can you see? You cannot see the rubber band, it is hidden. So I'm going to do the curly here. I'm going to put the curls in the ends, so that in parties it will look awesome. If you want to do the braid, you can do the braid, but for the party look, it's better you go for the wavy. It look awesome. This kind of hairstyle you can do in the weddings too. It will look really awesome. I hope you guys like it. I'm just trying to share my knowledge with you all so that it may help you. If you like, you can please comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. I'm trying my level best to show you clear. I hope it is clear. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your love. Please keep supporting me so that I will share more and more videos on my YouTube channel. Please like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please keep supporting me. And you can comment in my comment section so that I will understand did you like or no. I'm almost done here with this hairstyle. How's it? Good? This is the final look. I'm going to open the curls now to give a soft look. If you don't want to open your curls, you can leave it. Try it at home and enjoy your parties. See you with the new videos very soon. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Have a nice times. Yeah, one thing, don't forget to spray the hairspray so that it will stay longer time. After you finish, you can spray it for the baby hair to set the baby hair and to stay longer time so that it will hold your style for a long time. I hope you all all will like it. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you soon with the new video.